In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Facebook post. So what you want to do is you want to open up Facebook, click on the top right on the plus icon and then click on create post. From there you can type in whatever, and where you see it says add to your post, click on that and then click on music and then choose whatever music you want it to be added. And now when somebody sees this post, they will hear the music, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also leave a comment if this video helped you.